Hey, Steve Zalunardo here at Treviso Realty. Happy Monday and good afternoon. Quick update on the current market right now. Southwest Florida, current inventory 18,895 units. So that basically stayed the same as last week, give or take 1 or 2 units. Closed properties, up 15%. Pending sales up 6% since last week. And then pending with contingencies down 8%, so all good all around. If we kind of push that into Estero and kind of give us an idea of a micro level, current inventory down 16%. Remember, less inventory is always better, for especially if you're in the resale market, you're selling a home, less competition is always going to get you more money. Closed amount of sales 42% up, which is awesome. And then pending sales have come down by 6%, but pending with contingencies up 55% since last week. Just remember, these numbers are small, like it's 16 pending with contingencies versus 11 of last week, so that's where we get our 55% up, but it is a 55% increase in pending with contingencies, and also the rest of the data I just gave you guys. Some exciting news happening here in Southwest Florida, and I'm following these big sales, which always gives me hope for the future and what we're doing with the investment sake, and also tying our money here to Southwest Florida. Let's bring in some of the these big time deals here. So this is one of the largest land deals in Lee County. So this is going to be located in Cape Coral. If you kind of see here, this is Burnstone Road. This is like a better view of where it is now. So just out in this quadrant right here, we have a property out here, Pine Island and Del Prado, somewhere around here. So this is now they're trying to expand here. But this was a $100 million deal, 1,700 acres. It's proposed 3,500 homes plus a significant commercial development, including retail, office space, hotels, assisted living facilities, and a university. So it's basically a master plan community. Purchaser was Forrester, which is tied up to DR Horton. That's their sister company. That's the company that's going to buy the land, and then they sell it to their building company DR at a later date. You can kind of wash. This is how you do LLCs. It's got a large mixed-use development, so the project will be the largest mixed-use master plan community in Cape Coral, featuring 200 acres of commercial land, which is awesome. Development will fast-track utility expansion along Burnt Store Road, rather. So all this area here. Again, with a massive site like this, they're going to put a ton of resources to get it all done. The development will fast-track utility expansion along Burnstone Road and create a central hub for retail, commercial, medical, and hospitality needs. It took 2 years to get this deal together, the approvals and all, but hey, here it is. So that's really good news. I'll keep this link in the attachment. You want to take a look at it. Yeah, these are massive deals. They're good for, obviously, Lee County, bringing in more tax dollars. Also, investors spending a fortune of money down this way. Another deal that went through is, where we got it here. Here. So, commercial sector just sold off to 75. You see the Good Greek building there. This was another deal that was sold for $155 million. Let's see where it is. Here it is. So Tri-County 75 warehouse in Fort Myers sells for a record-setting $155 million. Again, these are big sales. This company, I believe they bought it in 2019 for $7.2 million. Clearly, it was just raw land. Then they developed it into these basically storage and warehousing units here off the 75. You kind of see it. There's a realtor. Cool story. The guy slipped a note under the door and got the deal done. Like, sometimes, like prospecting, that's huge. Good for his guy. That's a massive deal. He was able to broker it at $155 million. His Christmas will be very merry and cheery. But I'll go through this a bit. The $155 million highest sale price for an industrial warehouse property in Lee County. So you're starting to see these big sales highest. Every sale is becoming highest or record setting. So this is obviously the future of Southwest Florida. Complex spans 818,000 square feet across 4 buildings on 72 acres. It's attracted tenants like Ferguson Enterprises, Keurig, Dr. Pepper, Campbell's Soup, and Costco. It's almost fully leased with 44,000 square feet remaining, which is awesome. That's literally a very good ratio, clearly. The building were developed and leased by the local broker Bob Johnson, Lee Associates. plays a key role in securing tenants, including 250 square feet to the Ferguson. Anyway, so you kind of get an idea, like these are some massive deals. What to look forward to going forward is we have our Fed meeting going to be taking place on the 17th and 18th of this month, so tomorrow and the day after, so Tuesday, Wednesday. Reported they probably go down another 25 basis points, like another quarter point, to bring it down to a full 1% reduction from the height of everything. We'll see what happens with that. Clearly we got to watch out for the inflation. Clearly this is where we are and where we were at one point. So if you kind of look at 2021, 7% inflation down to 6.5 in 22, 23, 3.4 this year, down to 2.7%. So obviously we're in the right direction, but at the same time the rates are way too high to kind of keep stimulating the market. There's supposed to be the commercial office space sector is in deep shit right now, basically on their rates that they had from the previous era of real estate, of those low 2-3%. Now they're going to start refinancing now. And then remember, the buildings have not gone much in value. Higher rates, you can't really refinance. You're going to have to get into equity share partners and raise capital to kind of offset the expenses to hold the product, or you're going to fire sale them, which we've been seeing all year, where Blackstone has been swallowing them up. But is there any other data? That's pretty much it. Enjoy your Monday. Next week we'll be up north. It's the 23rd. I'm not sure if I'm going to be reporting or not. If I don't, Merry Christmas to you and your family. Obviously we're here if you have any real estate needs. We'll be happy to assist you at any time. Thank you.